Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Upwork website. So let's get started. So Upwork website is a website where you can buy or sell the services. So here you have to go to the Upwork website like upwork.com, and here on the website you can see the many types of services they provide. You can see no joining cost, post your job to hire, work with the best without breaking the banks. You can sign up for free. If you want to hire, you can hire also. So to sign up here, you can click on this sign up button here. Then here you can just select your vision, like I am a client hiring for a project. For example, I will click join as a client. So you can use your work mail, and if you want to sign in with your Google easily, you can use it directly also. So here I am using my Google. Just click on this sign up with Google. I am using my company's mail. Then click on continue, and then you can see my country. You can click on this okay. Yes, I understand and agree the terms of work. Then here you have to create my account. Click on this, and it will take a time. And here you can see my account has been created. Then here they are registering me. So here we can see like this. So you can start with using AI and not. So today I'm not using it. If you want, you can use. So here you can give your phone number if you want to. So I'm not giving now. So I'm not here doing. So I have to write my title. So for example, if you are a marketing, like here you can do like I'm in marketing. Just click on this marketing, and then here you have to just click on this next. Then here you can just do like marketing strategies, internet marketing, content writing, social media marketing, Instagram, lead generation. Here we can add many. Okay, then you have to do next as a scope. Then here you have to do like small. We will work like within 1 to 3 months. You can do according to you. Okay, it depends on work. We want a entry level worker, and then yes, it will be full time. Then you have to do next. Then here you have to set the hourly budget or the fixed price. For example, if I am setting up like a fixed price, here I can just do like $100. We can do like next. Then here you can add the proper description. So after adding, like if you want a marketer for your social media handling, so you can write here like your company name. For example, I'm taking company name like XYZ company. Like this you have to write. Then here you can write here like post, or the work you can like this work as management. Then you have to write here and explain the work properly. What is the work? For example, if you want within a month like a 30 post to be ready, or to like if you want to like make a code or make anything, then you have to write it here and explain it. And after that you can do review the post job, and then your account will be created. So by this way you can do it. And this is for the buyer side. And if you want to become a seller here, then here you have to sign up with your account. Then here I am logging out with my account. I will just click on continue, sign up with my Google account. So here you can see, so this is my seller account as you can see. So seller accounts can be created easily. So here you have to provide your profile, like your education background, your certifications, and many other things. So here you can see my profile. You can go it here, or you can directly click on here on my profile, and you can see my work profile. So from here you have to fill the all details, such as you can provide your video introduction, you can provide your hour work per hour. Here you can verify your verification, you can do the verification with your government ID and proof of your address, and then you can provide your licenses, education background, then you can link with the account with your stack or your GitHub, then you can provide your skills, catalog, and many other things. And then if you see here, you can also search for the jobs that you want to do. You can click on find work option, and then here you can apply for the jobs. And if your profile is good and according to the client, then he or she will hire you. Then here we can see, for example, this graphic work for social media. So it's here you can see the client has been verified. He has been like spent like 6.2k dollars. Then if you scroll down and see like here the profile, you can see your here like this. Then you can click on this apply now and you can apply it. If you see scroll down, you can see the other works from him that has been provided. If you scroll down more, such as like graphic designer for the graduation cap topper designs, so you can read here and you can bid from here. For example, you can apply now, and from here you can just give the milestone, then you can give a description, then the last due date, then the amount that you are charging. And you have to remember that there is a platform fee as well. For example, if I am charging like a 10 US dollars, so 10% will be freelancer service fee and you will get a $9. And if you scroll down, you like less than 1 month, then here you can make a cover letter using our AI. Just from here you can make a cover letter, then you can describe your recent experience, then you can attach the folders, you can highlight your profile, bio certificates, and your portfolio projects, then you can submit your personal. So by this way you can do it, and this is how you can use this Upwork in this very easy way too. And if you see, Upwork is very simple and very easy to use. So this is how to use the Upwork website. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.